Well, we're fully into 2023. Unfortunately, not the greatest start for me, but oh well, I'm still here breathing and I have my family. So here, we're taking our New Year's charms from the previous year to burn them and basically to get rid of all the evil from and bad things that had happened and reset, get a clean slate for the year. And for me, the first time to really get back to filming after my YouTube channel being hacked. So I know you're gonna ask me, what was I using? I was using the Motion Cam Pro app, the Moment Anamorphic Lens, and of course DaVinci Resolve. Within the week, I'll be releasing other videos, getting more in depth about how I was able to achieve what you're seeing. Until then, keep filming, take care of yourself and others, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, Happy New Year. Patrick Levar. Peace.